Ever wondered what it would feel like to shoot 8K at 120 frames per second with flawless autofocus and no overheating right out of the box? That dream setup might be closer than you think. The Nikon Z8 II is making waves across the rumor mill, and if even half the leaks are true, we're looking at a serious game changer. From wild spec predictions to possible release timelines, this could be Nikon's boldest move yet. Let's break down everything we know so far. Now let's talk about how this thing might feel in your hands. Word on the street is that the Z8 II won't reinvent the wheel when it comes to design. It'll still rock that tough magnesium alloy frame and weather sealing pros love. But Nikon might be trimming the fat, literally. Rumors suggest a leaner build, possibly with a better grip and smarter button placement. Think of it as the Z8, but refined with muscle memory in mind. A lot of shooters are hoping Nikon borrows the Z9's mode dial if they do. Switching setups on the fly could become a dream. Oh, and dual CF express slots or a hybrid slot combo? Almost a lock at this point. Under the hood is where things get spicy. Multiple leaks point to a next-gen X-Speed processor, and that's no small update. We're talking faster everything. Data handling, autofocus decisions, noise reduction, and more. The 45.7 megapixel stacked sensor is likely staying, but with improved speed and thermal performance. Think less lag, cleaner high ISOs, and more efficient RAW options for streamlined post workflows. Nikon's also reportedly reworking the heat management system. Huge news for videographers who remember the Z8's overheating limits. Basically, the Z8 II could be a quiet beast, purring through 8K footage like it's nothing. The Z8's autofocus was already impressive, but Nikon is apparently cooking up a smarter, sharper brain for the Z8 II. Rumors suggest a completely overhauled algorithm powered by AI and potentially a dedicated neural engine. What does that mean for you? Better subject detection, even in tricky light, sharper eye tracking, faster reacquisition, and broader detection, not just people and pets, but vehicles, birds, wild animals, basically whatever your lens lands on. If this new AI tech delivers, Nikon may close the AF gap with Sony and even raise the bar in unpredictable environments. Now, let's talk video. And yes, this is where jaws might drop. If the 8K 120 frames per second rumor is true, Nikon's going to crash the high-end cinema party hard. Imagine that level of detail and slow-motion power without rigging up external recorders. Internal 10-bit recording? Very likely. Better codecs and more color profiles? You bet. Plus some whisperings of raw pre-capture, that futuristic feature that lets you save frames before you hit the shutter. It's like having a time machine in your camera. Add in better wireless options, pixel shift capabilities, and dual recording to different cards. And this isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. So, when's it landing? If Nikon sticks to its usual cycle, a late 2025 reveal with early 2026 availability seems likely. Price? Expect $5,500 to $6,000, right between the Z8 and Z9. It's stepping into fierce competition. Sony's A9 III is lightning fast, Canon's R5 is still a hybrid beast, and Panasonic's video chops are strong. But Nikon isn't following trends. They're aiming to nail the balance of power, smarts, and usability. For Z8 users or DSLR upgraders, this could be your perfect mirrorless moment. So, what do you think? Is the Nikon Z8 II going to be a revolution or just a well-tuned evolution? Are you ready to upgrade or still holding the line with your current setup? Let's talk in the comments. And the rumor mill is buzzing, and today's hot topic is the Nikon Z73. Expected to launch between August and November 2025, this high-res beast could be the upgrade Nikon fans have been craving, or a missed opportunity if it falls short of Sony and Canon's pace. So, what juicy features might be packed into that magnesium alloy body? And more importantly, is it worth selling a kidney for? Let's dive into the leaks and separate hype from reality. Let's set the stage. The Nikon Z73 is shaping up to be a potential game-changer in Nikon's mirrorless lineup, rumored to launch between August and November 2025. With Sony and Canon pushing boundaries, Nikon needs to deliver big. And the rumors suggest they just might. At its core, a 61-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, likely from Sony, putting it head-to-head with the Sony A7R V. But there's more. Whispers of a partially stacked sensor mean faster readout speeds, less rolling shutter, and better overall performance, without the premium price of the Z9. And for low-light shooters, a rumored 10.1 megapixel pixel bend mode could bring cleaner, more detailed results in tough lighting. If true, Nikon's not just playing catch-up, they're coming to compete. Now, autofocus has been a hot topic in Nikon's recent cameras, and the Z73 looks to take it up a notch. With a 493-point phase detection AF system, AI-powered subject tracking, and a dual stream system, this camera might finally close the gap with Sony's industry-leading AF tech. And stabilization? We're hearing whispers of 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, up from 5 in the Z72. Add Nikon's Focus Point VR tech, borrowed from the Nikon Z8 II, and you've got a recipe for buttery smooth shots, even with telephoto lenses. All right, hybrid shooters, this one's for you. The Z73 could bring 8K video at 30 frames per second to the table, potentially outshining the Sony A7R V, which tops out at 8K 24 frames per second. But don't celebrate just yet. Some leaks suggest this might come with a crop. On the bright side, full sensor 6K and 12-bit NRAW internal recordings are also in the rumor mill. If Nikon nails heat management, unlike Canon's R5 overheating woes, they could carve a niche for themselves in the video market. And with 4K 120 frames per second, you'll have all the slow-motion goodness for your cinematic projects. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The Z73 is expected to keep the Z72's rugged magnesium alloy build, but with better weather sealing. New additions? A 4-axis tilting touchscreen for easier shooting angles, and a 5.67 million dot EVF with up to 4,000 nits brightness, perfect for bright conditions. Inside, you'll find dual card slots, CF Express plus UHS 2 SD for speed and backup, plus Wi-Fi 6 and possible camera-to-cloud support for seamless file transfers. Let's talk dollars. The Z72 launched at around $3,000. With all these upgrades, the Z73 could hit somewhere between $3,500 and $3,800. That's a significant jump, edging close to the $4,000 Nikon Z8. Nikon will need to position the Z73 carefully to avoid cannibalizing its own lineup. Will it succeed? Time will tell. The competition is fierce. Sony's A7R V excels in autofocus and dynamic range, while Canon's EOS R5 offers impressive video specs. But Nikon has its strengths: natural color science, intuitive menus, and reliable heat management. If the Z73 delivers on its rumored features, it could become the go-to choice for landscape, studio, and fine art photographers. So, is the Nikon Z73 worth the wait? If even half of these rumors turn out to be true, it might just redefine high-resolution mirrorless photography. But what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to sway you from Sony or Canon? Or are you holding out for something even bigger? Let's talk in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates on the latest in photography tech.